Alright guys, as we drive by this goose, let's talk about our new little project here. And today, your local Google guide here from Irvine, California, Woodbridge, is going to show you how to get to Siam Kitchen, one of our places that we really like to order from. And we do like to support our local community restaurants and all that, because they make fantastic food. And so here we are. So we're on West Loop right now, and let's see. I think I'm not using Google Maps today. I should. I so often rely on it to get everywhere because I can't remember where I'm going half the time. But I'm gonna challenge myself to not use it for once. Anyway, we're on Stone Creek and West Loop here as we continue on. I do believe I'll have to make a right turn on Warner, but anything's possible, right? The sky's the limit. We'll see what happens. It's all like murky in my brain right now as I head over there. I'm pretty much running on autopilot here in my brain. So here we go. Warner Avenue. It's what's called muscle memory. Alright, I gotta make a left here on Culver. Oh, look at those cars go. It's a beautiful day in sunny California. And what do we have over there? We have those Irvine vehicles that takes care of security and management. And I'd like to point out we have some